Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a shower flow control valve. Okay, a flow control like this is a great way to stop the water coming out of the shower head during a shower. Very easy to install. The first thing you need to do is remove the existing shower head. Now, you don't want to mar this surface up. So one of the tricks of the trade is to take a little bit of painter's tape around the where the shower head connects to the shower arm here and wrap it in there, because if you use a pair of slip joint pliers like this, these teeth could mar the finish. So by doing so, you're going to apply a little bit of pressure, just enough to the tape there, so that you can loosen that. But you don't want to really dig in too far, because you could still mar it through the tape. And once you get it loose enough that you don't have to use the wrench, go ahead and unscrew it. Now you've exposed the threads of the shower arm. Now before you put the flow control on there, you're going to need to use what's called Teflon tape. Teflon tape is a material here that helps to seal those threads so it doesn't leak. So you just want to wrap it around the threads and circle around the stem a couple, 3 times, and then just tear it. And then just use your fingers to tighten that up. Now with this flow control, you're going to go ahead and screw that on the area where the shower head was before. This is essentially an extension now. And you can see here that there's a nut, so you can either use a wrench to tighten this, or you can use those same channel locks that I just used. And what I'm going to do is use the tape on the portion that looks like a nut so I can grab that with my channel locks without damaging it. You want to make sure that this is nice and tight. Hold that shower arm, and until you feel that that's nice and tight, you don't want to over tighten it. You just want to make sure that you get a good seal and place that valve where you want it. So I'm going to put it right there so that you can turn it on or off. Now before I put the shower head on here, I'm going to put some more Teflon tape. There's no adhesive to this tape. It just kind of wraps around. And you want to clean that up. If you got any extra there, just go ahead and keep winding it up. It'll all work in with the threads. Now with this shower head, I still have the blue tape on there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. Once you're done, take the blue tape off. Now when you go to take a shower, you can turn the flow on or you can turn the flow off. Coming up next, my video on how to install a shower hose.